Althea Group Holdings is an ASX-listed global cannabis company specialising in the sales, manufacturing and distribution of pharmaceutical cannabis products and adult use cannabis products. The company employs roughly 100 people in Australia, the UK, Canada and other parts of the world. The global market opportunity for medical cannabis is $44 billion by the year 2025. The Canadian recreational or adult use cannabis market is valued currently at $4 billion. Althea Group Holdings, through the pharmaceutical cannabis brand Althea, has fantastic exposure into the leading medical cannabis markets. And through our wholly owned subsidiary, Peak Processing Solutions, we also specialise in the manufacture of cannabis-infused products for the Canadian adult use market. Medical cannabis is highly regulated in the same way that pharmaceutical drugs are. In fact, being an unlicensed medicine, there's even more scrutiny placed on the safety profile and quality of the products. Althea, our company, goes about it in a very methodical way. The organisation itself is made up of people in the commercial department and also in medical affairs, with functions such as pharmacovigilance, quality, compliance, and that type of thing. Very, very highly regulated. We work with the MHRA, for example, in the UK to make the products available, the Therapeutic Goods Administration in Australia, same territory where we have now over 15,000 patients utilising our products. Germany, it's B-Farm, and eventually maybe as far and wide as the FDA in the United States of America. Althea is our brand of pharmaceutical cannabis products, which are currently available in Australia, the United Kingdom, Germany, and we're expanding into further emerging markets around the globe, including South Africa and shortly France. Those products look like two preparations. The first is a cannabis oil, so a liquid product which is taken sublingually under the tongue, and also dried flower preparations, which are pretty much the bud of the cannabis plant, and they're available for inhalation either by smoking or inhaling. Althea is the only company in the world with a registered medical device for medical cannabis. The platform itself is called Althea Concierge, and it helps healthcare professionals in legal cannabis markets understand and prescribe medical cannabis products. And it also helps patients understand exactly how to take their medication once prescribed and monitor their treatment outcomes and relay that back to doctors so that they can assess the treatment and continue if beneficial to the patient. Althea Group Holdings generated $5.1 million worth of revenue to the half year ended December 31, predominantly from the sales and distribution of medical cannabis products in Australia and the United Kingdom. Althea Group Holdings also owns an adult use cannabis company, a manufacturer of adult use cannabis products in Ontario. They have been busy product developing products on behalf of customers, and they'll shortly be looking to commercialise or monetize those projects. The products look like infused cannabis beverages, topicals, concentrates, vapes, otherwise known as Cannabis 2.0 products. Recent milestones for the company: wider in our pharmaceutical cannabis division. We surpassed 15,000 patients in Australia. We have had record revenue in both the Australian and UK business for the first half of financial year 2021. We've also recently launched products into the German market, which is a big opportunity for the company. We're also looking to expand into other territories, emerging marketplaces, if you will, including South Africa, France, and some other countries in the coming months ahead. On the adult use cannabis side of our organisation, Peak Processing Solutions, our wholly owned subsidiary in Canada, has recently launched products for the likes of Collective Arts, for Kronos, for WeedMD. Tinley's is another company, an American brand of cannabis beverages that we're working with, all to bring their products to market in Canada. Peak itself is a specialised processor of adult use cannabis products. There are more emerging marketplaces coming online. Althea is very well positioned to take advantage of entering those marketplaces, not just because we have a safe and high quality product and a fantastic regulatory team, but also because we have the world's only registered medical device for medical cannabis called Althea Concierge, which does a lot for healthcare professionals, takes them up the learning curve, helps them prescribe medical cannabis for the first time, and also provides valuable support mechanisms for patients administering our products for the very first time. So that puts us ahead of the curve there, and certainly are a global leader in that marketplace. 32% market share already in the UK, 25% market share in Australia, and well positioned in Germany, probably the largest medical cannabis market to date. So things look good for that segment of our business. In terms of adult use cannabis, we have one of the most specialised processing facilities in Canada. That is a $4 billion marketplace at the moment for adult use cannabis products. We have a growing pipeline of CPG companies looking at entering the space and using Peak as the vehicle to bring their own products to market. Think big tobacco, think alcohol and food and other beverage companies looking to take advantage of that fast moving good space that is legal cannabis.